Let me tell you simple three methods in which you can use to clean your fuel injectors. You heard me right. You can clean your clogged fuel injectors. Three simple methods. The first method I'm going to mention is using fuel injector cleaner. This is one of the simplest methods to do this, to clean your fuel injector. How are you going to do this? There are three fuel injector cleaners I'm going to mention. The first one is sea foam. You can use sea foam, Chevron Techron, and liquid moly. These are three recommended fuel injector cleaner that you can use to clean your injector. But how are you going to use it? You can go through the instruction written on the cleaner. But before you do that, ensure that you have fuel in your tank. Fill the tank very well, and when you pour it, drive the engine for about 20 to 30 minutes. And this you can repeat every 3,000 to 500,000 miles. Every after 3,000 to 5,000 miles, you can repeat this. However, you need to know that this can only clean light clogging. Then what is number two? Number two is pressurized fuel injector cleaning kit. Use this method too. This one is a bit higher than the first method by using fuel injector cleaner. This one you have to purchase the kit. You can Google or use YouTube to search on how to use this kit. The kit is available. Before you can use the kit, you need to disable the fuel pump. Then you need to disconnect the fuel line and connect the cleaning kit. Then you run the engine for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you reconnect your fuel line back and you test drive. If you can do this, you have the chances of cleaning your clogged fuel injector. Now let me mention the last one, which is mostly used when the clog is hard or is smudged. This one, you need to unsocket all the injectors. You need to remove the injectors, and what you are going to do, you soak the injector for few minutes. If you soak the injector for few minutes, it could be between 1 to 2 hours. You soak the injector. By the time you soak the injector, then you are going to use brush. Lightly you target the injector tips. You clean it lightly. You clean it. This is the best when the clog is very serious. And don't forget, since you remove the injector completely, when you are replacing the injector or when you are installing the injector, you have to replace the O-ring. Retest the injector before you fix it back into your cylinder head, and you test the engine. Ensure that you do this to show that what you have done is truly working. Remember, in this method, the injector has to come out completely from the engine, but the other two methods, you don't have to remove the injector. So these are three methods that you can use to clean your clogged fuel injector. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, give me a thumbs up, and if you have this problem, use any of this method. If you are just trying to be preventive, you go for the first method, which has to do with using fuel injector cleaner. But if you notice that the clog are a little bit more serious, they can go for the second method, which is pressurized fuel injector cleaning kit. But if the clog is serious, especially when it becomes carbon, then you have to go for the third method of remove the injector and clean the injector manually. That is the third method. Hope you love this video. Please subscribe and follow for more tips. See you in another video. Mr. Engine.